is revamp his website, spend, hundreds, how much, 7, 8K or more on the whole nice, the website. But the problem there which we identified very quickly is the images. He's a specialist, but all like, you were talking about like, implant or the specific pages we were talking about, general photos. So it doesn't make sense. So the content is there, but implant page, it need to have a content, right image, what he's doing, a personalized content. So very much we're talking here is a content is anything, but more context is important. Would you like to add anything here, Caitlin?
Yeah, just on that as well, is that something that makes people feel more trustworthy and at ease when using a website is when they can find exactly what they're looking for within less than 3 clicks. So we've had clients come to us and had, a menu that's had, 30 plus items on it and, was using technical terms. People aren't aware of the technical terms, and although it might make sense to you, unfortunately, it's not going to make sense to your target audience unless they had done their research prior and had most likely already seen a specialist. So making your website easy to use and easy to understand is super important, especially in the medical field. You want people to feel clear and have, a clear sense of what they're going to do after they land on your website and that whole journey there. Because if they land on it and they don't feel clear and they're confused, that's what prevents them from actually taking action. And you'll never hear from them. They'll never pick up the phone and call you. They'll just bounce straight away. So that's something to consider with the website as well, is your structure and how you lay out your content.